Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam Lite 2. In this video I'll show you camera preview. In the beginning let's take a look at the back of the camera. This is the back side of the camera, which is going to be attached to the windshield. Here we can find the product name, model, some info about manufacturer, and serial number. Now let's take a look at the front of the camera, and here we've got 5 buttons. Button 1, 2, 3, 4 and power button. Take a look at the side. Right here we can find micro SD slot for GPS module and charging port. Now let's plug our camera to charging port. To turn it on and off, simply press this button. Now select language . Now calibrate date . And then you can download the app. In the end we have to insert memory card to use the camera. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.